Welcome. In this video, I'm going to present you how easy it is to spot the best setups on the 5/15 minute time frame. So let's dig into it. It's the perfect setup combination you can ever have in trading. So let's go. All right, so here we go. This is basically everything you need when you're trading smart money concepts or ICT, but it doesn't really get better than this one. All this happened during the New York session on the 28th of December 2023, and as you can see, I'm right now on the 15-minute time frame. I already marked up some stuff over here. Basically, it doesn't really get better than this one. And let me just go through real quick what really happened here. As you can see, right before New York opened, well, as you can see, London was pretty much just ranging. But we had a nice breakout to the upside, taking some highs right here. So that was already, well, the first part of the classic YouTube 2022 model from ICT. And as you can see, we broke down, shifted structure, left a beautiful sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on this 15-minute candle. Beautiful structure shift, down close candle. It's like textbook formation, and I'm going to put a line over here. So that was our market structure shift. All right, and as you can see, this was a little bit of, well, risky. I wouldn't say all that much risky, but this spike from this candle actually happened right at market open at 9:30 a.m. New York time. But if you wanted to take this with a nice risk to reward, this was the optimal entry to go short. And as you can see, it's not just the classic YouTube 2022 model. It has a bearish breaker setup. It has technically a bearish order block, since these two up close candles poked into liquidity, change structure. So it has everything. It has the fair value gap, it has the bearish order block, it has the breaker setup, everything all together in a 15-minute time frame. So as it broke down lower, you can also see that we had another well, I'm not saying shift in structure because we already shifted to the downside, but it was good to see that this down close candle, which started at 9:30 after market open, has closed down below here, presuming that the move is going to continue to the downside. And as you can see, on the 27th of December, we had a 1 hour, basically this is a 15-minute fair value gap here, which has buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and we could see this on the 1 hour as well. So this was quite a significant level. I marked it up. So basically, in short terms, this was my sell side liquidity target. Still very important as a target down here, and also if we want to target the lows right around 17,070. This is also kind of a significant level, as price pretty much went up from this area. Well, if you wanted to go for a second chance with maybe a little bit lower risk, because price already tapped into this, you can re-enter again on this fair value gap, because it still has a bearish order block. So it made a new order block here, poked into a significant fair value gap. As you can see, it created an order block. This here poked into that bearish order block, repriced this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. With the low risk trade, you can enter somewhere around here. It's basically optimal. And with the risk reward, I would say you could get at least a 1 to 2, maybe. Even if you put your stop right above there and you target those lows again, this is a significant area as I was talking about, you could get another trade. So one trade here and a second trade here. I do love these setups. I really do. And if we go down to the 5-minute, hold on, I'm sorry. If we go down to the 5-minute, it still looks very nice. Not the perfect structure shift, But this one, again, order block on the 5-minute as well. Here, right after 9:30 open, gets back to the order block, and boom, hits down. I really do like that. So you have everything here. You have basically everything you need, and the good thing is that it happened on a day, I mean, in between holidays, if I may say so, after Christmas, before New Year, when we are expecting like really slow volume. I do love to see these setups. So yeah, these concepts are working even during these days. So that's all. This was today's setup, and that's what I wanted to show you. You have everything in one place. If you would like to stay tuned about these setups, just subscribe to the channel, join my streams here on YouTube, and you know, I just love this stuff. See you on the streams. Cheers.